Sriti Chaitanya High School of Mazidpur have conducted the elections and elected the student council members and the house captains. And these elections were conducted to the students of class 8, 9 and 10. And the students of 9 and 10 has been elected as the council members. So today we gathered here to celebrate the investor ceremony. Let's begin the program now.
We gathered here this morning to celebrate investor ceremony of our school. This ceremony marks the induction of a new students council leaders who will carry the torch of the responsibility in discharge of various positions of student council.
So to begin the program, our sports captain Rahul have been taken charge to start the program. Now you can see a sports captain Rahul heading towards the other cabinet members to begin the program. So all the cabinet members are in the positions. Now let's
Newly elected members are doing the march past. First, we are having Rahul of grade 10 heading the march past along with Akash, who is being newly represented as the head boy, and head girl Ananya. Deputy head boy C.H. Vignesh, marching towards deputy head girl Hema Shivi, sports captain Rahul, deputy sports captain E. Aishwarya, sports captain girl E. Aishwarya, sports deputy boy E. Varun, sports deputy captain E. Bhargavi, cultural activity captain Paul Shishant, deputy captain boy of cultural activity Shiv Shashank, PCA captain girl V. Harita, PCA deputy captain girl Aisha. Now you can see all our council members are marching towards. Along with them, we are having 4 groups. The groups are Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri and Ganga. Moving on to the Krishna group, we are having a group captain, K. Aishwarya, heading towards the march past along with her. Heading towards the Ganga group captain, we are having Ram Teja of grade 10 and Ganga deputy captain, E. Hemashri. Interested in sports, especially he plays volleyball and kho-kho. Give him a big round of applause. Varun is studying in grade 9 and he is also very interested in sports and especially he plays kabaddi. Recently he has participated in the Mandal-wise tournament also. D. Aishwarya of grade 10 is a very active girl who actively participates in the sports and she plays volleyball. Akash is very talented boy. He is very intelligent. He has all the responsibilities of the school. Ananya is very silent girl who is very intelligent. Batch from the principal sir. Congratulations, Vignesh. Hema Shrivi is an intelligent girl, not only in the academics but all round also. Paul Sushant is very active boy and he participates in all the school cultural programs. Congratulations, Paul Sushant. Aisha is very smart, brilliant girl who always participates in the cultural activities. Her, I request Krishna Group Deputy Captain Akshaya Shri to come forward and take the Shashan badge from the sir.
అయ్యో ఏమొచ్చు
Badge from a principal sir. Congratulations Shakil and congratulations Manipriya. Satvika of grade 10, C.S. Nikhil of grade 9. Give them a big round of applause, children. Clap. Of grade 9. Ram Teja of grade 10 and E. Hemashri of grade 9. Congratulations both of you.
లీడర్స్ స్వీటీ చేస్తున్న లీడర్స్ మరి రాహుల్ అండ్ ఆకాష్, ఐశ్వర్య, అనన్య, విఘ్నేష్ ఎంతో అద్భుతంగా క్లాస్ క్లాస్
After taking the badges and the sachets, now the students are heading towards for doing the march past. Here, the House Cabinet members and the Deputy Cabinet members are heading towards the march past. I request all the staff and students for cooperating in this program. After March Past, we will be having oath taken or oath pledge by a newly elected council members. Heading towards the sports boy Rahul is heading towards the march past along with the other cabinet members. Thank you all the cabinet members. Thank you.
Now I request all the student council members who have elected to come onto the dais to take an oath for today.
నడుచుకుంటూ మరి విద్యార్థులను కూడా మిగతా విద్యార్థులను కూడా మరి అదే దారిలో నడిపించవలసిందిగా మరి ప్రత్యేకమైనటువంటి ప్రతిజ్ఞ వాళ్ళు చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. మరి అంటే ప్రేజ్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని మన పాఠశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ గారు ఆ యొక్క విద్యార్థులకి మరి ప్లేజ్ ను మరి నిర్వహించవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము.
Of Sri P. Chaitanya High School, take an oath and feel privileged to get the opportunity to shoulder this responsibility. We are thankful for the principal, teachers and students to putting their trust in us. We resolve to try our best to ensure the discipline throughout our academic career. Thank you.
Thank you students for your vote. Now we will have a speech by our principal sir.
We are celebrating this anniversary ceremony. We are the elected by the students and the teachers. So the people, once again, congratulations everyone. Today we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion, the anniversary ceremony of our new students leader. This ceremony makes a significant milestone in the lives of these outstanding individuals. And I am honored to be part of it. To our students, leaders, I offer these words for the wisdom. Leadership is a privilege, not a right. With great power comes a great responsibility. Always remember that your actions speak louder than your words. Ambience challenge about a little or position, but about serving others, working together and making a position impact on our school community. To the outgoing students leaders, I extended my gratitude of our dedication, hard work and commitment. Your lessons will continue to inspire us. And to the teachers and staff, your guidance and mentorship have helped us shape those young leaders. Thank you for everyone trailing this effort. Let us celebrate a new chapter of our students' journey and continue to the support and guide them to every step of the way. Congratulations, students and student leaders. May you lead with a wisdom, compassion and courage. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. Now we will have a speech by our Telugu sir.
మరి విద్యార్థులకు వారికి ప్రత్యేకమైనటువంటి మరి పాఠశాల తరఫున అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాము. మరి ముఖ్యంగా ఈ యొక్క లీడర్షిప్ అనేది చాలా ఉత్తమమైనటువంటి మరి అది యొక్క మార్గం. మరి ఆ లక్షణాలు అనేటివి మరి మొక్కలందరిది మానవ రంగున అంటే మన జీవితంలో మన మంచి యొక్క లీడర్షిప్ లక్షణాలు మనం పెంపొందించుకోవడానికి ఇది ఒక విత్తనం లాంటిది. అంటే ఈ యొక్క పాఠశాల స్థాయి నుంచి మరి యొక్క లీడర్షిప్ లక్షణాలు అవి పుచ్చుకొని మరి భవిష్యత్తులో వాళ్ళు గొప్ప మరి నాయకత్వం మనకు వహించి దేశానికి మరి దేశ సేవ చేయాలని మరి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా వాళ్ళని మరి కోరుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి ముఖ్యంగా వాళ్ళు క్రమశిక్షణతో ఉంటూ మరి మిగతా విద్యార్థులను కూడా మరి క్రమశిక్షణతో నడిపించవలసిందిగా మరి కోరడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇప్పుడే ఆ యొక్క ప్రతిజ్ఞ అనేది కూడా చేశారు. ఆ ప్రతిజ్ఞ ప్రకారము ఆ యొక్క బాధ్యతలు మరి నిర్వహించవలసిందిగా మరి కోరుతూ నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు మరి వారికి ప్రత్యేకమైనటువంటి అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తూ ముగిస్తున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. Once again, I heartily congratulate all the student council members who have been elected, and you need to fulfill all your responsibilities throughout this academic year 24 and 25. I once again thank all the management, staff and students of Sri T. Chaitanya High School of making this event a grand success. May we continue to do many programs in future also. Please like, share and subscribe to our school channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.